This is me. This is me when I play Build a Boat for Treasure. So I join people with the most play with the team. I join teams with the most players on. And if they don't, I show them my boats, like this one. I know it's bad, but I'm gonna make it good. Trust me. Then I'm going to make them rage. Let me just see what chairs I have. Where is it? Here we go. Now it's time to go to the team and troll them. You see, this thing can fly. Yes, here it is. Now I'm gonna troll them. And I don't know why they jump. Hello guys, what's up? Hey, you're not allowed to sit on my seat. So it's time for me to go. Where's my plot? Oh no, I'm on yellow team. I don't want to go here. I'm just gonna go, and then I'm going to put some 2 seats on for them two. After. So, let me just do this again. So, it's loading. Should I put these 2 chairs? Yeah, I'm gonna put these 2 chairs in. I'm pretty sure it's a king throne. So, maybe they'll sit on it. Just because it's a king throne. So, oh no, I forgot. Oh no. Let me just die in the water. Yep. Yeah, ignore that oof sound. So, okay, I'm kind of bad at controlling this. Or should I use a flying glitch? Or do you want to see a flying glitch in here? Hold on, I need to do this. There's too many blocks that it lags. Okay, so do this. And then so place this, and then like, you can even pretend like you're hacking with this glitch. So, let me do this. And then do this. And then get a hinge block. Do this, and then make it face up, and then get some glue. Then get glue. Then do this. And now we're ready. When you're ready, oh wait, we're supposed to have only one. You can fly. You see that? So press this jump button to start flying. Then you see it's a glitch, and then you can just fly to the end. You see this? Alright, I'm kind of going the wrong way, but don't worry. I'm going to get better at controlling this soon. And then I'm overflying, and now go here and then you see this. And then now to get off, you need to do this. You know your glue, right? Press it, and then you'll be able to jump down. And ow. But you have to do it in the correct time. And then there's a chest which will give you a gold block. So then, ow. Sometimes if you don't do it in time, you'll die. So do you want to see a different game or do you like this? Write down in the comments. I'm going to use my worst bolt here, which is this. I know. And then I'm going to just launch. I don't know, this is like my worst bolt. What is this? You serious? Yeah, I am not going on this dirty boat. Poopy boat, I mean. Probably. You're looking like that though. Okay, this is the glitch. It's like a and this is, and I'm gonna start trolling green again. Let's see.